In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share your Discord profile link. Log into your Discord account on the desktop app or via the web browser. As of the recent update, Discord does not provide a direct profile link. Instead, you can share your user ID. Navigate to your profile in the lower left corner of the screen and hover your mouse over to Profile Picture. Click to copy. It says Copy User ID. Click on it. Click on User Settings, and then in the User Settings menu, click on your profile picture, your username. And that's an alternative way to copy your user ID. After copying your user ID, you can paste it anywhere to share it with your friends or any platform. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share your Discord user ID. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.